Good morning guys. Actually, yeah, it's still good morning. No, maybe good noon. Kasi 11 na. Kami guys. Busy day today. It's my day off. Pero, kailangan naming mag-paint ng aming horse trailer na walang horse. Yeah, it's gonna be busy. It's super warm. It's not supposed to be like this. Kasi yung paint daw di dapat na sobrang mainitan. But then, we'll try. We'll see. So, yun. And I'll bring you along. Kasi gusto ko talaga i-test yung camera na to. Sobrang init, grabe. So, yeah. But I hope it's not gonna take so much time there. I think maximum 2 hours and then we're done. And then, after nun, babalik dito. And then, yeah, I have to do a lot of things also. Kasi, pa-work na tayo bukas, guys. 5 days straight. So, yun, my ready. But whether it's ready or not, we have to do it.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who?
Right now, lumabas muna si Martin kasi bibili siya ng drinks namin. Ano oras na ba ngayon? 11:36 na ng umaga, guys. Pahapon na. Magpipaint kami ng aming horse trailer kasi ika-convert siya into food trailer, ganon, kasi siya na pizza catering. So gusto namin na yung horse trailer na yun is before the end of this summer ay magawa na talaga namin. Pero the inside naman okay na siya, may improvement. Sa labas lang kinulang lang talaga ng painting. So yun yung gagawin namin. And then after nun yeah, andyan na siya. So, after ma-paint yun, and then sa inside na naman, parang may mga table na ilalagay, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, kailangan na niya ng lalaki na katulong nun kasi, very heavy na yun for me. Kasi guys, lang tayo guys, 4'11" lang talaga tayo yung height natin. Hindi tayo kalakihan. So, yun. Dito na siya, so drive na naman.
Loading.
Life in Denmark, ba?
Look at what you're doing so you don't fall instead.
I'm not gonna fall.
That's what everybody climbing a ladder said.
Oh my god, it's actually scary.
Yeah, of course it is.
I think I need to remove my shoes. Wait lang. Guys, andito na tayo sa on top of the world. Nasa itaas na tayo ng trailer, guys. Ito yung ipipaint ko. Hindi kasi pwedeng, siyempre ang bigat ni Martin, hindi siya pwede dito sa itaas. So siya sa side lang siya magpipaint. Ako naman dito sa taas talaga. Kita nyo naman yung area na to, puro container. Nag-rent kasi kami dito ng guys, container para lalagyan ng mga parang stock room namin ba, ganon. Wait lang. Dong, how do you feel that your wife is here?
I feel very good. Just do your job.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored.
Yan. So guys, napinturahan na namin, but it's first coating pa naman, so hindi siya perfect. And then yeah, we painted this side here, and then also here, like the front niya, front pa tawag to, or likod, whatever. Ito hindi namin pinintahan kasi parang bibili pa kami ng another another color. Ito din hindi. And then we get this here. Sa itaas hindi pa namin, mamayang gabi na daw kasi sobrang init. So yan. So this is actually the window guys, na pwede siyang ma-open and then you can meet up with your customer. There. Tapos ito hindi din. Bali, ang dalawang sides lang talaga. Ganon.